Hey everyone, this is your leader with TruAura, Kelly Ann. I am in my car right now because you got to do meetings when you got to do meetings. And so this is our first Technology Tuesday. So some of these will be short and sweet, others will be a little bit longer. And this is the first one. So we are going to be starting with the basics today. So this one might seem trivial or small or simple to you. But it's not, because I was given the report of who is logged in to the website recently and who has access to the app. And so I know there's a lot of you that still need help with that. So how these Technology Tuesdays work, and I'll give this same intro each time, is that there will always be something I cover technology-wise. So today, for example, we are going to cover logging into your TruAura website, what the difference is between a client and a customer website versus yours, and then also how to download the app and log into the app. And then at the end of each subject, there will also be a homework assignment. You will have the whole month to complete it, so you can do it immediately, or you have until the last day of the month to get it done. But for each one that you do throughout the month, you're going to get points, and then I'll do drawings for different things like gift cards or TruAura products or logo items, etc. So there's a Tech Tuesday and a What's New Wednesday. All of those things that you participate in, complete, etc., you'll get points. And at the end of the month, I will do a drawing each month for everybody who has participated, because obviously I don't require anything, but if you want to learn, then you want to participate. So what we are going to do is go ahead and get started with this topic today. So again, the Tech Tuesday for today is how to log online to your TruAura website, what the difference is between those two for a client and a consultant, and then also how to download the app. Then at the end, once I go over these steps, then we will also set up what the homework assignment is for you to be able to get points and go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about the website. Now, TruAuraBeauty.com, if you go there without your web address at the back end, will just be the corporate website. Now, you never want to send people there because that is not your website. That is the company's website. So they wouldn't have access to your website there. And if they order, it's not going to go to credit to you. So you never want to send them to the TruAura company website. You want to send them to your actual website. So for example, mine is TruAuraBeauty.com/Kellyann. Now, a few things that are very important to know about the address. The first thing is that you will notice this is HTTPS, not HTTP. You'll also see that little lock sign there. That lock sign means that it is a secured website. So the HTTPS stands for a secured website. The semicolon, the forward slashes, there is no www dot. You don't need that with the secured website. So it goes straight into TruAuraBeauty.com and then whatever your address is. So the first homework assignment that I'm going to be telling you guys to get done is that I want you to send me an email, which is Kelly at spaandglamwithkellyann.com. I'll put my email address if you don't have it. You should all have it, but if you don't yet, I'll put that in the Facebook page for this week's assignments. But you want to email me what your personal web address is so that I know you know how to refer your customers to your website via the computer. So that is step one. I want to know that you each know what your personal web address is to send friends, family, and then yourself to go log in as well. So how do you know that you're at your website? Well, right up here is the indication. It's got my name, it's got consultant, it's got the different things there. Now I will find out how and if that changes. So I'll make a note to myself. I'm actually going to do that right now so that I don't forget. Bear with me. TruAura. I'm going to tell you guys about a really cool app on next week that has nothing to do with just business, but it's business and personal. It's pretty awesome. Find out about title on website. Okay, so you'll see this. Now, also the image of you will not be up there unless you have personally uploaded your picture on there. So that'll be another Tech Tuesday topic, is uploading your picture if you have not yet done so. So when you log in, it's going to go right here. Now, here is the next thing to learn about this website for technology, information, and training. Your username and password is your personal username and password. Each of your clients will create their own when they create a customer account. Now, they don't have to order to create a customer account, but they would need to, when they click on create an account, they would need to put in a credit card number because that is the way that it creates their account, so that the company can always refer back to that number. It never puts their whole number out there for them, but it does say, do you want to charge when you place an order the last 4 digits of this credit card? And you say yes or no. So your customers can create their own account. When you log in, so for example, when I log in, I don't know if I typed that in right, so just bear with me. So when I log in, this is what I see. When your customers log in, they will not see a screen like this. They are not going to see the back office. They are just going to see their personal account information that says their name. So for example, it would be something similar to retail customers. So it would look, their office, their screens would look similar to this. Their basic contact information, their orders that they've placed, etc. Yours, when you log in, is going to be right here. It's going to be at your back office. Now, one of the things that I want to show you on here, because one of the other questions we had is how to order if you're in here. You'll notice that here it says shop, and then you can go into products and shop there. So you don't have to switch. You're not going to order through your website. So if I go back out here and I sign out, so if I go back to my website, so when you order as a consultant, you are never going to order on your website. So that was another misunderstanding that a lot of consultants were having. They thought, and of course it's going to take forever, here we go. They thought that they go through shop on here. So you do not want to do that. You are not going to shop, and I don't know, here we go. You are not going to go to your website and go shop here. You are a consultant. You shop through your back office. If you shop through here, it's going to think you're a client and you're going to pay full price. Okay? So again, this is your web address to share with everybody. Your one homework assignment is to email me what your web address is so that I know you know how to go to your website, and also so that I know you know how to share your website address with other people. The second thing to understand is that you do not shop on your website. You go to the login, you type in your username and password, and then on your back office, so this is your what's called your back office, you go to shop and then go to products, and that is how you order, because now you'll see here that it has the 38 crossed off and it's 30/40. Why? Because we get 20% off everything all month, and then you can increase your discount, which that's another topic that we'll talk about at a different time. So this is how a lot of my consultants were like, well, I'm not getting my discount on my products. Well, that's because you were going through your client site and not your consultant site. So to order your products and get your discount, you go through your back office, click shop. Now, for those of you watching this going, I know this and I want different technology, I don't care because we have to start from the basics. So there are a lot of you who don't know this stuff, and I want to start from the baby steps and move forward. So if there are other topics that you want to cover, that is not a problem. Just make sure you send me what you would like that topic to be. So back office shop products for you to get your discount. Go to your regular website. And that's where you will share for your clients to shop and get the regular prices. So again, if you go to shop and you go to the products, you are not going to see anything crossed off. And that's how you know you're on the client version of your website and not logged into your consultant back office to get your discounts, okay? So that's the first thing I wanted to cover today, the difference between the website for your clients and the website for you as a consultant and how to get to your products. The second thing is the app. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to go back to me, hello, and pin the video here. Okay, so the next step that I'm going to try to do my best to show you on my phone is I want you to all make sure you have the TruAura app downloaded. So on your phone, the TruAura app looks like that, okay? So it's got TruAura, it's got the little, what is that, a hexagon? I'm not good at that kind of stuff, but it's a shape, right? It kind of looks like a stop sign a little bit, but it's not an octagon. It's the one right before it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever a six-sided object is. So that is the TruAura app, okay? Now, in the app, if you click on it, it is going to come to your consultant website. And this is, again, called your back office. Your back office looks like this, okay? So this is your back office. Now, I know this part can be a little confusing because we've never had an app, number one, if you were with any other company before. And number two, this is a double use app, meaning you can view it as a client would view it and you can view it as a consultant would view it. So step one is I want to show you how you can order as a consultant with your discount on the app. So the first step is that you see this office, TruAura office right there, you're going to tap it. And when you tap it, it comes up to your back office. Again, very similar to what it looks like on your back office, right? So then you'll see these little lovely squares right there, these 3 lines. Okay, sorry about my nails. You're going to tap that. And then again, you'll see the menu and you click shop. And then under shop, you click products. And there you go. And you will see your products with the line showing you that you get your discount, right? Now, the difference is if you want to take a screenshot for your clients to be able to see something without your discounts, you want to go to the client version, you are going to hit the done up at the top. So you tap done, it goes back to your main office screen, right? So this is your consultant view. See this lovely little person here in the top? You tap it. And it says flip to client, and it flips to the client view. This is not where you order. This is where you can order things for your customers for them. So you can do it yourself for them through this way, or again, on the website as well, you can shop for your clients as long as you have their username and password, or you can send them the app to download. They can do it themselves or send them the website link. So the next homework assignment, well, let's talk about how to get back from this because I know that's another question. So here we are in the client view, right? So we see full retail. This is our client's view, right? Okay. Up here to get back to your back office, you hit that little settings button. And at the bottom, you're going to see a thing called a consultant view. You tap that, it says go to consultant view, and you say, yes, I do. And then it does this lovely little flip thing, and you're back to your consultant view on the app. Okay? Now, second assignment to get points for the drawings is that I want you to take a screenshot of this, either with your phone, with somebody else's phone. You need to text me a picture of this home screen. So on an iPhone, for example, you would hit the side button and the home button at the same time, and that takes a screenshot, and then you could text it to me. My phone number is 440-346-2666. 6003. You also can take a picture of this and email it to me however you want, but you need to show me that you have this app on your phone. So that's assignment number 2, is I need to see that you have your app with your name on it. You're logged in to your app. Okay? That is homework assignment number 2. Okay? Homework assignment number 3, I want to see that you know how to get to your client view. So I want you to take a picture of this screen as well on your app so that I see your name's at the top. So it's your website, and this is here with products so that you are on your client site of that. Okay? So that is your 3rd assignment. I want to know that you know how to switch back and forth between the two, and that you know how to get to the client side as well as the consultant side. Okay? So the last thing I want to show you with the website, because we know how to share your website because you're going to share it with me. That's what the first homework assignment is to send me an email with the link to your website, which is just sending me your web address, okay? And your web address is that HTTPS thing in the address bar. The second thing I want you to do is be able to go into the share and share the app with family and friends. So by that, you are going to hit this share tab and you can hit a message. That's one way, okay? So if you hit that text message, you're going to see here it says, welcome. It's got a message. You can edit that message however you want. I recommend not touching it if you're not a tech person because you don't want to delete the link. That is your own individual link to your website. And up here, you see where it has 2. That's where you would type in the name of your contact or the phone number of a new person you meet. So that's one way to do it, okay? The next way, okay, so you're in the client view. If you go back, where are we? Give me just a second. There we go. I couldn't figure out. So if it ever comes where you share and you go back and etc., just tap that home screen and that'll get you your setting bar. So you can tap the TruAura logo right there and that'll give you your settings button back. So you hit the settings button, you go to consultant view. Yes. So it's flipping back. The other way you can share your app is to go down here to the tiles where it says tiles. Go there and see in the middle it says share app. You're going to tap that button and again do the same thing. You're going to hit the message and it's going to come up with that message and the 2 and you can send it to somebody. So I want you, that part I don't know how to have you do an assignment, so I would just say let me know via email or text that you shared the app with somebody and they received it. Just let me know it. So that one's going to have to be a trust thing. I can't have a way for you to prove it to me, but that's the final assignment. So those are the assignments. That's how you access, 1, your website online, 2, how you have your app and log in and are able to access your back office, etc., and also switch to consultant view. And then 3, how you're able to share your app with other people. So I hope that was helpful. That is the end of our Technology Tuesday. So please remember to watch this in entirety. If you want to get the points for the drawing for the free product and logo gifts, etc. at the end of the month, then you just want to complete the homework assignments for this task. I will be sharing the recording of this and then I'll also be posting it to YouTube. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me at kelly@spaandglamwithkellyann, or you can text me at 440-346-6003. So thanks so much. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.